What's up, beautiful people? Welcome and welcome back again to our channel, All Things With Us, and welcome back again for another amazing video. So in today's video, or of late, I'll be combining the clips of the transformation videos that I've did, and I'll be making some short videos, as you will see. And I just did the previous video, I also did that. I just compile the transformation, mostly the before, some clips in between, and then the final reveal. That is basically because there is something I'm working on, and soon I'll be returning to uploading normal videos. But now I hope you will just enjoy the before and after bed transformation that I'm doing. And these are the jobs that I did within a week. So I decided to share with you. So bear with me for some time as I'm working on other projects that I'm going to be soon revealing to you. Anyway, if this is the kind of content that you do like or do enjoy, kindly consider subscribing to our channel. Hit the notification bell so that you always get notified whenever I upload videos like this and more. Don't forget to share with your friends, family, so that they can get the ideas. Maybe they can try something from us or learn something from us. Yeah. Anyway, if you're new here, feel much welcome in our space. This is All Things With Us, where we do DIYs video, transformation videos, makeover videos, and many more. You can visit our channel and you can see the other of our videos that we have in this channel. Don't forget to tell me in the comment section what you think about our contents or our videos. Thanks for watching, and I hope you will enjoy this one. Bye.